just came in today, our Dyna Performance carbon fiber interior. Here's the instructions right here. These are all our carbon fiber interior parts right here. And we're still actually waiting for one more package. Here's our alcohol and paper towel. And I already finished cleaning the spot. So I'll be starting with the largest piece. And this piece will be going right there. I'm in the driver's seat right now and I'm just mimicking to see how it's going to be like. So it feels like it's better to start from here and then work myself going this way. All right, so I just finished peeling it off. Look at this, pure carbon fiber right here. Just finished applying this, making sure it's all nice and smooth. Now we'll be doing the other side over there. We're now here in the driver's side, and then this part here goes like that. Just finished cleaning this part. Just finished peeling off the tape. Now I'm going to apply it right here. Okay, so our next piece would be this, and it will be going to this part right there. Finished cleaning this area already. So I'm now removing the tape. Now unpeeling this. I already finished cleaning this side. So for this next piece, it will be this. This one is going to be actually kind of not really hard, but just a little bit difficult because you got to put that crease or turn right there. You just finished removing the tape and now going to apply it. So this part right here was a little bit hard. So I just finished cleaning this part right here. Finished removing the tape. And I'm now going to apply it here. So I had to break this part right here because this part wasn't really sticking that well. So I have to add more 3M. So I had to apply some 3M, what's this, glue, and placed it some parts here because for some reason it wasn't sticking that well. There you go. Now it's perfect. It's the next part that we're going to do. This piece is going in the door right here. This piece here is going to go like this. Already finished cleaning this part. Already finished removing the tape. And I'm just going to apply it right here. Wow, this one is really nice. It stands out. So for our next part, this piece goes right in here. So I just finished removing the tape and I'm now going to apply it in here. There you go. Now it has a little bit of carbon fiber background right there. Finished removing the tape and now going to apply it here. This was actually pretty easy. This piece right here is gonna go like that. So I just finished cleaning this part, finished removing the tape. I'm now going to apply it. So this is how it looks like, and here's the top. Cool, it matches. So just finished removing the tape. This part actually was just a little bit tricky because it actually bends and curves. And this is how this piece here looks like. That's nice, cool carbon fiber background. This just came in today from Dyna Performance for the dash right here. We also ordered the air vents for the mirror controller for the lights. And right now I am going to use this alcohol to clean this area right there. Right, so we have the first major big piece right here. Wow, this is a big piece right here, and it really looks nice already. I'm now removing the tape. so I just finished putting this, and what I did was I used this scissors to cut this part right here. This part right here was sticking out, so now it's flushed in. So there you go. Our next one will be the AC vents. I just realized how hard this was. All right, if I could get one side in, I'm good. Woo!
There.
That was hard.
Got it. On the bottom part now.
Yep.
So the bottom part now, where the what's this? The switch.
Yeah, the switch.
Where you turn off and on.
There.
Oh, there.
That was simple. Wow, look at, like, just the little things like makes it pop out already.
Yeah, we're moving to
this part now.
part.
I already cleaned it. Now going to put this trim in here. I just finished cleaning this area with alcohol and wiping it down. Place it right there, and that's how it's gonna look like. Just finished putting this one on. This one was really nice and simple too. And then our next one would be this. Not sure if you guys could see it right there. So I just finished cleaning this part here with alcohol and wiping it down, and we are now going to put this part right there. Going to be applying this. There you go. Finish putting this on. Oh, cool. You can still see the lights. There you go. Okay, so we just finished putting this, and we also finished putting this part right here. All right, this part right here, this was hard. It was harder than putting on this part right here. This part was easy, but this part was more difficult just because it's more inner. Finish with that and this right here. So that's how it looks like, and we're gonna go to the other side. But before that, here's this side right here and this part right there. This is how it looks like right there. It's a new one right here. This was really hard to get. Right, guys, we're here at what is this place called? Chicken.
So here's
all our order
Order.
from
the chicken shop right here.
Newport Beach.
There you go.
Can't wait to. We actually had this before. It's really good.
Yeah.
All right.
There you go.
Right. So we got our salad here, our whole chicken, our fries, our beets, and
Sweet potato
sweet potato,
and pickled cucumber.
pickled cucumber, and here are the sauces for it. Okay, let's do this. We forgot to put this piece.
We have still one more
Yeah,
piece.
it goes right here.
It goes around there. Oh, there you go.
Oh, wait,
Whoa, whoa,
wait.
whoa, wait.
Hold on, it's weird. Okay, there.
There you go. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice and clean.